In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically insert dates in Excel. If you've ever needed a clean list of dates for a schedule, a timesheet, or a simple tracker, this quick technique will save you a ton of time and help you avoid manual typing mistakes. Start by clicking any empty cell where you want your date list to begin. Type a valid date, like 4/29/2026 or 29/April 2026, and press Enter. Excel should recognize it as a date and format it accordingly. A good hint that Excel sees it as a real date is that it typically aligns to the right side of the cell and may display in your default date style. If it stays left aligned or doesn't look like a date, try retyping it with slashes or dashes so Excel can interpret it properly. Next, click back on that same cell to select it. Move your mouse to the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell border. As you hover right over that tiny square, your cursor will change to a thin black cross. This is called the fill handle, and it's the key to automatically extending patterns, including dates. Now click and hold the left mouse button and drag straight down through as many rows as you need. As you drag, you'll see a faint outline showing the range you're selecting. When you reach the last row you want, release the mouse. Excel will instantly populate each cell with a consecutive date, increasing by 1 day for each row. You can scroll to confirm that the sequence is correct and continuous. If the same date repeats instead of incrementing, it usually means Excel treated the original entry as text. In that case, clear the cells, type the date again using a standard format with slashes or dashes, and try dragging once more. Also, if you need fewer or more days, just adjust how far you drag. The length of your drag defines the length of your date list. You can use the exact same technique horizontally by dragging to the right instead of down, which is handy for calendar layouts or weekly planners. And if you ever want to change how those dates look, you can select the filled range and apply a different date style so it's easier to read at a glance. That's all it takes. Type a date, use the fill handle, and drag to fill. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for building clean date sequences in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking in Excel.